Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 3a and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find passwords and accounts. Here we've got our previously added Google account, so let's maybe start with adding a new one. Let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And here in this step we can either create a new account or enter our email or phone, so let me do it. And tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, you can read them and tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got our Google account added. Of course, you can also remove the Google account. Simply tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. Confirm everything. And this is how it works. Let me remove also this one. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.